So what you can also do after making our channel is change around its settings. So over here you can see on the left side there are some channels right here. So in order to access its settings, you can click on the three dot icon right here. So once you go around over here, you can see that you can delete out the channel right here, you can edit out the channel, or you can manage the channel right here. And once you go to manage channel, what happens is that you get onto its its settings right here. So you can see the channel settings, as you can see, just like this, and you can see the permission right here. So you can turn the channel moderation on or off right here, and you can choose whether everyone can start a new post, that is everyone can start a conversation, or let's say for example everyone except guests can start a new post. If you don't want your guests to actually start a post, you can select that out as well. On the analytics, you can see like who are the users right here and who has access to the teams, just like this. So you can go back to let's say for example different teams right here, and you can access out let's say for example this team. So I'm just going to go around and access it, and under general you can see that I can click on the three dot icon right here and manage out the channel and access the settings for that channel over here as well. So you can see that this is what you have, and that's how you can work around with channel settings to change out the permission levels and view the analytics of individual channels inside of Teams, inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.